Beauties and cuties, hey cuties and beauties, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you may be in this world. Yes, and as promised, I was a good girl once again, and I saved this unboxing for you for another long-awaited ShopMissA haul. I've got my snizzers, so let's get into it, shall we? Hope I don't shake the camera too much, but yes, I'm feeling a little blue. As you may know, some of you beauties and cuties know that my baby, the last one out of my precious womb, has turned 21 and is 100% legal according to the government. So if you follow me on Instagram, which is Monty's Life featuring underscore on Instagram, I probably said that twice, you see some of the festivities we had going on. But let's stop stalling and rambling. Let's see what we got in this box, shall we? Okay, I was hoping to try to open this, not shake the camera. So, and these scissors are not the greatest. So I apologize in advance for any shaking and jiggling and what have you. Now, as you can see, that beautiful Miss A tissue paper. I know I done shook the camera again. I'm so sorry. You know you got your wonderful bubble wrap. I don't know. I think I might go back to sitting in front of my couch because it was a lot more stable. I mean, I like being up off the floor in the kitchen and what have you, but I'd rather be in, I don't know. Y'all let me know. Do you like me better sitting in front of the couch or in the kitchen? Let me know. And I'm about to act like a YouTuber. While you're here, leave me a like. Send me a comment. Hell, be very bold and daring and subscribe. All right. Now, after we get through all this wonderful, amazing bubble wrap, good bubble wrap for you bubble wrap lovers. There you go. You're welcome. All right. So, if you are unaware of what ShopMissA is, it is basically a beauty dollar store where most of their products are $1. Now, there are some things that are more than $1 because they come in a set, or they are going towards charity, or they give you the reason of why they're more than $1. But if you spend more than $35 or $35 and above at ShopMissA, you will get free shipping. Sometimes when they release new products, they will have $1 shipping and $3 shipping to Canada. Or if you just see a few items that you like and you're not quite willing to spend $35, their shipping rate is $3.95. Okay, now you get your checklist. Let me make sure ain't no oops on here. It says that I got everything that I was supposed to get, which is an item, total of 24 items, so I paid $3.95 for the shipping. I ain't had $35. As you can see, I was planning for my baby birthday party, but I still couldn't leave Miss A alone. And yes, I do have stuff while I was on hiatus, so to speak, and I wasn't, posting up any videos or episodes. I do have things. If you want to see them, I will make sure I can show you that haul as well. But you got to let me know if you want to see the haul of ShopMissA stuff while I was away. All right, so our first little well-packaged package in styrofoam. I believe it's a new different type of styrofoam. We have some LA Colors pressed powders. Now this is in the shade beige, and I also have the shade tan. Now, according to my naked eye, and y'all know I'm old, these look exactly the same, but we'll have to test them out some other time. Now, y'all know me and accessories. Yes, there is a few more things of makeup in here, but y'all know I am the accessory queen. Now, this first one, these are keychains. I thought these were, oh my gosh. I was like, oh, these are big keys. Look at that. They came in a variety of colors. And of course, this was $1. These pressed powders were $1. I believe everything in this haul was $1. I haven't tried their new satin buildable foundation yet. I will be ordering that because I'm still trying to find my match. And I have watched some reviews, and some reviews are saying that it's some good stuff. And I don't like full coverage. I'm sorry, I'm not a full coverage queen. I'm not a, cake face queen, because my skin, I sweat too much. So I like a light buildable coverage just to, handle the under eye bags and possibly some discoloration. But other than that, I love my freckles showing. So, but let's get back to this haul. I miss you guys. Sometimes I can only talk to you guys. But life has been pretty good. I do, as with any person, I do have some issues that I need to be taken care of, and I'm in the process of taking care of them. But anyway, this is the first keychain here. You can put it on your keys. You can put it on your purse. Does it? Oh, I thought it had some missing jewels, but it does not. There are no missing jewels, but that is super duper pretty. And I had to get a silver one. And as you can see, some of them come in a silver toned key with a gold ring. Oh no, that's a silver ring. I'm sorry, my lighting. You guys know my lighting is not, anything highly professional. But this is the gold tone and the silver tone. I got a necklace. This, I believe that's supposed to be the stone of carnelian. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I also got, y'all know I love their bracelets. And this one is, I'm going to take this one out the packaging because I want to show you the true beauty that this is. This is a faux druzy stone bracelet. Bam, there you go. Let me model it for you. Okay. What's next? I got 3 sets of studs, but these studs are not just your average gold or silver or, your basic cubic zirconia stud set. No, my dears. No, my cuties and beauties. This stud set, yes, y'all know I love an Aurora Borealis stone at the bottom. They have the peach teardrop in the middle and a heart-shaped, diamond-esque stone at the top. And look at that packaging. That is just too gorgeous. Well, no, is that falling off? No, it's not falling off. But I love, 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 love these. Bling, bling. Okay, what do we have next? Oh, yes, this is another necklace, like the red. This is a faux turquoise necklace. I do have some other stuff that I hauled previously, like I said, when I wasn't filming as much. I do have some things to match with this. So, like I said, let me know. Leave me a like. Send me a comment. Let me know that you want to see what I hauled while I was away. Just because I wasn't filming doesn't mean I wasn't shopping. Okay? Now, this is a fashion trend that has been over everywhere all summer long. The large hair clips. Now, this is just, I believe, what they call the alligator clip. You want to add a little sparkle, a little shine, and a little pizzazz to your hairstyle. And as you can see, these are the Aurora Borealis crystals. These are still available, and as you can see, these are quite large. So if you have long hair, if you have thick hair, I believe this will be a wonderful accent to your hairstyle. Or, if you have a turban on and, you want to just spice up your turban, what have you, you could do that. Or if you are wearing like a bolo tie and you want to clip this to your ear, there's so many things you can do. But anywho, I got it in, this is the white, and I got it in black. You just can't, gotta be, excuse me, my nose running. You gotta be like Michael Jackson. It's black, it's white. Okay, anyway. And, oh. What? I guess. I got another one. Oh, this is silver though. And it comes in silver. I don't see, this is why I haven't even opened up this box. I forgot what I ordered. Okay. Now, I love me a good headband. And they have these beautiful iridescent metallic, almost, they look like, to me they make the perfect mermaid headbands. I'm attracted to sparkle. I'm attracted to shine. I'm attracted to iridescence. Okay, this one is in pink, I believe. And this one is in the multi. Yes, it's almost like a tie-dyed, shiny metallic headband. I love that. Want to wait to open it. Okay. Now this, I thought this next product, I thought it was too cute. I know everybody has like their little PR mirrors and what have you, but I got me a little, can you see it? It's a little pearlescent, glittery llama handheld mirror. I'm not going to turn it around because I don't want to glare and blind you guys, but it is a little mirror by Melody, and it was only $1. And like when I'm going to try and when I get a better camera and I'm trying to do eye tutorials, I believe that like this would be like the perfect size to, do my eyeshadow, and it looks like it's almost magnifying, like at least by 2 times. All right, got a little package right here. Okay, and like I said, I rode on the accessories trend train. These are their barrette gems, and this has a different opening and closing mechanism. These are the pinch and snap barrettes. I got one in green, I got one in pink, and I got one in black. I don't know if they still have these available, but I just thought these were too cute, so whatever. All right, we only got a few more products left in this box. Y'all know me. It wouldn't be a Miss A haul without some scarves. Let me take these off. I may be silly, but, I didn't like the feeling of the metal pressing against my forehead. All right, well, we got a scarf here. Now, this one is very cute and unique. Is it an infinity scarf? I believe it might be an infinity scarf, but do you see the little gemstones and sparkles? And they are, me, I follow fashion trends, and everyone is saying that pistachio or an olive green is gonna be the look for the fall. But I thought that was super cute. Smells brand new. You know how certain things have horrible smells. And I got another coral one, but this has crochet at the around the lining, and I believe that this is cotton. Very nice still for, like I said, a scarf will jazz up any outfit. And I might just do another video of me showing the whole full scarves because, I ordered some more. All right, now this is the Bohemian print scarf. And as you can see, it's taking up everything. I don't believe I can even get, can I? Yes, you can see. I don't even think I can get it all in frame, but, oh, I just love all the different colors, all the different patterns. I wonder if I can make it a backdrop. Okay, and I also got this, that was the Bohemian scarf.